This is Sai Kumar Kurtiwada. Let's talk something about Devin. So this is the news which is trending and it is becoming a buzzword from past 3 to 4 days. So what is this Devin and why the people are afraid of coming in picture with Devin? Is it benefit or will it give any problems for the humans? So everyone is talking like it may replace a complete human software engineers. So actually speaking, we will talk all the aspects. What is this Devin? What are the capabilities of this Devin? And how it exactly works and what is the future expectation and what are my personal assumptions. So let me quickly jump into different slides to give you a brief about this Devin. So here the Devin is called as a first AI software engineer which was founded and created by a startup Cognition company, and they have announced this on March 12, 2024 by the CEO of Cognition by Scott Wu. They mentioned and announced Devin is the first AI engineer which can do everything required for a project from scratch to advanced levels, like from end to end of the software process it can be done by Devin. But how exactly it works, what are the capabilities of this Devin? So let's talk about the capabilities. So the capabilities which were announced by the CEO are something like the Devin can learn new technologies very fast, and it can build the apps from scratch until the deployments. It can find some set of bugs and it can fix the coding issues. It can fine tune to its own AI models and improvise itself. That means whenever there are some set of new use cases comes in picture, the model is capable of learning them and improvise itself, and it is even capable of answering all the software related questions. There was an type of presentations which happened where the people of Cognition they asked different types of questions and it is capable of answering all the questions which are related to software, and it is even capable of doing the projects, and they have proven that by giving this set of projects from Upworks as a freelancing projects, and the Devin is capable of doing that. So let me quickly jump into one more slide to understand what exactly this affects. So what is the effect of the current job because of this Devin if it comes in the picture? First, we'll talk about the freshers. So freshers may be affecting more on this because freshers want to see a real world scenarios and they want to understand the softwares. Now if Devin comes in picture which can do all the things from scratch end to end, then what the freshers has to do, what type of jobs they have to search. So first thing is freshers has to search which are related to AI, and there are many of the AI related stuff coming in picture, that is nothing but data science or prompt engineering, such type of things where we can use our mental work to get some set of data as well as some set of AI tools. That means how to utilize some certain AI tools, how they can work, and what is the purpose of using prompt engineering, and how we can learn prompt engineering, and what is the future of AI, how the AI will come in picture. So such type of things has to be focused by freshers. Even if Devin comes in picture, the freshers can't review the code which was given by Devin because they were very new for the real world scenarios of software. So I recommend for the freshers to learn and go deep dive for understanding the AI tools, how to use them, how to go with the prompt engineering, what is data science, how we can improve in data science. All that if they are focusing completely related to the AI, they will be getting a future for sure. Now coming to experienced people, these people will be affected moderate. Why? Because even Devin comes in picture, even it can do everything for you, client interaction or some set of reviews which was given by Devin code has to be done by some experienced people, and they have to understand what exactly the Devin is giving the output. As an experienced people, they have to understand everything end to end and they have to make an approval. So there may be a moderate effect on these experienced people. And most of the people have a question like, does this really affects a large software community or jobs? So first thing is, as of now, it will not affect in a large number, but it may be used as a friendly purpose. For example, we came up with ChatGPT, we came up with Gemini. All this came in picture with different types of features. even at that particular time, it improved the software development time, as well as it improved the quality of software engineers. That means they made the things fast, but they didn't made this software to come down, or it didn't affect any of the software engineers more. And what can be done for the jobs? So actually speaking, this may affect either 20% or 30%. On down the line it may affect 80% of the people. But the software is not completely about coding. It has many other things where the architecture comes in picture, and how to interact with the clients, and how to create the UI designs, all this. And how this can be solved by Devin. Actually speaking, you should be very confident in asking the questions to Devin and giving the prompts to Devin. So the prompt engineer should be very strong, where you have to give an exact requirement where the AI can understand. As of now, the people don't have that much of capability to talk with the AI and get a desired output. So as of now, this may not affect our job market, so don't worry about it. But we should be upgrading our skills as per the technology is growing. So the technology is growing very fast, so we have to grow along with the technologies. So don't go only with your technologies whatever you have currently in hand. Just improve your skills, improve your technical knowledge, improve your creative knowledge, which helps us to go either into the coding job market or with the other job markets like business analyst, or coordinating with the clients management. All these are required at any time, that is for sure. Because a client can't give the complete information in a way where the AI can understand. That is one thing. And if AI can do everything, then client will not come to a company to do this. If he hires a prompt engineer or a proper person who know more AI, he can do whole project himself, but that will not be the case. So the case is something like he has to get the requirements. That requirement should be converted into a type of UI visualization, and then that has to be delivered in a proper timing and with a proper customer interaction. And also the data is very very important. So whenever we are trying to do some set of projects, what type of data we are using in that project, and we can't trust the AI, or we can't trust the Devin to give all our inputs or the data to that. It may be violating that data. So it is not always recommended by all the companies whenever it comes to the data part. Let's understand in other way how this works. So let me quickly jump into another slide. These are my assumptions. As of now, we are not sure how really this Devin works, because it is still in the cognition team itself. So once it released to the real world how it works, we are not sure. When there are some innovations happen, then there will be improved job market. For example, in the past ancient time, when we came up with computers, everyone said the same thing, like software will take all the job market. Actually speaking, it took some set of job markets, but at the same time it improved some set of job market. That means the skills or the way of job market or the jobs has been changed, but it always improved the job markets with different types of skills. So that's what we have to go along with the market, and may not affect whole job market, but gradually it happens in the future, and we are not sure how it goes. So don't think more about this, how this Devin works or how this affects the job market, and don't make your brain with lot of stuff. So just go with the flow how the market is going on, and try to improvise your skills. I always suggest you go and improve your skills, not only in the development part, even to talk with the clients or go with the management and get the requirements. I'll give a best example in my assumptions. For example, if Devin can do everything, let me go with this way. I want a e-commerce application, and I name it as something like Techshare SKK, where it will be having a all clothing industry level. So I gave something like this. If Devin can do everything, it will give you a complete website or an mobile app. If some other person do the same thing and ask the same question, so what it does, it gives the same type of output. Maybe your website could be something like red theme, and their website could be something like blue theme. and the UI may not change. You cannot experience, or you cannot give a proper user experience by using this Devin. It can do logical stuff, but how the real world is thinking and how you can attract the people, so that has to be designed and defined by the humans, because we know the emotions, we know the experience of the humans, where AI can't think about that. So think how the AI works and how you can improve your skill set out of the AI, so which AI can't do. So that way we have to improve our skills and go with the job market. So don't worry about any Devin until it gets into your hands. So once you get into your hands, you will know what are the capabilities which can be done by Devin, because only set of people who experimented that will not give a proper understanding of that tool. So when it comes to the different mindsets, and when it comes out to the real world hands, then we will understand how exactly it works. That's what happened with ChatGPT as well. So now even ChatGPT is on the top level, or Gemini is on the top level. They are providing the information which is related, and you can search in a easy manner. Even before that, we have Google. We searched in Google. So even we got the outputs from Google, but here this is a one place go, where it will give the examples, it will give you the code, it will give you the sample, you will be experimenting it. If it is working fine, then good. If it is not working fine, we have to go and do some set of tackles over that, and we have to get the output. So that is what happened till now, even with ChatGPT or Gemini. So let's wait for Devin to come into the real world, and we'll understand how it exactly works and how it helps to the society, as well as how it may affect our job market. So be cool and improve your skills on the latest technologies. So like this, we will not only target for the technical stuff, even we will learn what are the new things which are coming into picture in our software industry. That's about this video. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.